Feeling stressed, anxious, or burned out? What if I told you the cure might be right in your backyard? Today on CVC Gardens, we're digging into how gardening boosts your mental health, backed by real science, not just gardening myths. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community for more Garden 2 wellness tips. Studies from the Journal of Health Psychology found that just 30 minutes of gardening after a stressful task significantly lowered cortisol, the stress hormone, far more than reading indoors. That means gardening actually relaxes your body on a biochemical level. Here's something fascinating. Soil contains a friendly bacteria called Mycobacterium vaccae. When you dig, plant, or weed, you're exposed to it. And research shows it triggers the brain to release serotonin, the feel-good hormone. That's why so many people describe gardening as therapeutic. It literally makes your brain happier. Gardening is also a natural mindfulness practice. When you're focused on watering plants, noticing leaves, or pulling weeds, you're in the present moment, similar to meditation. Psychologists say this reduces anxiety and overthinking, which can improve your overall mood. Gardening also keeps you physically active, digging, planting, bending, lifting. The American Psychological Association points out that regular light activity like this increases endorphins, which fight depression and improve sleep quality. So it's not just good for your plants, it's good for your mind and body. And let's not forget the emotional reward. Watching seeds sprout or harvesting your own vegetables gives a sense of accomplishment and purpose, something proven to fight off feelings of depression and isolation. So the next time you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, don't just scroll on your phone, step outside, put your hands in the soil, and let your garden do the healing. If this inspired you, hit like, share it with a friend who needs a mental boost, and subscribe to CVC Gardens for more science-backed gardening tips. Together, we'll grow happier and healthier.